Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom home with a powder room. Nestled on 0.19 acre and located in a peaceful, quiet neighborhood known as Green Acres in St. Catherine. The updated kitchen features elegant granite countertops and open directly to the backyard, making indoor-outdoor living effortless and perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. This spacious home boasts a full master bedroom for your ultimate comfort, plus a versatile bedroom ideal for a helper or gardener. Enjoy two charming balconies at the front, offering serene views and a perfect spot to relax with your morning coffee. The property is a gardener's dream, lovingly cared for by the owner, who has created a lush garden paradise with two tranquil ponds and inviting outdoor seating areas. Entertain with ease on either of the two outdoor decks or unwind in the peaceful surroundings. Practical amenities include a double car garage with an automatic door, plus two additional parking spaces, a solar water heater, a 1,000-gallon water tank, and an outdoor shed for extra storage. This home truly offers a rare combination of comfort, style, and tranquility. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 82 million, US 519.7 thousand, Canadian 743.9 thousand, Euro 477.4 thousand, or 403.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.